Hello, dear children. I welcome you in today's English class. Let's start the chapter where we left in the previous video. We had seen that Tillu was expecting to reach on the surface of the planet where he wanted to see sun or star according to the day or night time. But alas, that was not to be. Dear children, we are beginning it from here today. But alas, that was not to be. But it's very disappointed that Tillu did not able to reach there. Tillu had underestimated the security arrangements. Tillu thought that only getting the security card would bring him on the surface of the planet. Here he was wrong. He miscalculated their security arrangement. Invisible mechanical devices had already detected and photographed the small intruder meaning who entered without permission, sent his picture to the central bureau where it was thoroughly checked, and before he had advanced 10 paces, a strong hand fell heavily on his shoulder. Tillu thought that only getting that card was enough, or it was enough to reach him on the surface of the planet. But it was not so. So many photographs were clicked, and it was detected that one intruder had entered who should not be there on behind that door. So he could not even complete 10 steps. Then when a strong hand came on his shoulder. Gently but firmly, he was escorted by the security staff back home to an anxious and angry mother. Anxious meaning worried. One strong hand fell on his shoulder, and that security man firmly but very gently, because he was a child and it was quite expected, the curiosity of a child was quite expected. So he escorted him. He took that boy to his home where his mother was angrily and in tension. She was waiting for him. While he was being scolded, he received help from an unexpected quarter. So his mother was scolding him very badly, but his father came to help him. "Let me explain to him, darling," said his father, who had just got up. "If he is properly briefed, he will not do such a thing again." He started to explain. His father said to his wife that let me explain it to him, that how it possible, why it is so difficult, or why it was so dangerous to go there. He said if Tillu would be able to know everything, definitely he was not going to do it again in his life. "Listen, Tillu, I work on a surface where an ordinary person cannot survive because the air is too thin to breathe, and where the temperature is so low that you would freeze to death." He said, "Tillu, I am working on the surface of that surface of the planet. Otherwise, the ordinary person cannot survive there, because the earth, the breath, the air was extremely thin that nobody can able to breathe, and it was so cold that anybody could die to freeze, and he will die. So it was going to be very fatal if he reached there barehanded without any proper equipment. There was a time I have then he says, but daddy, how do you manage to survive?" Then Tillu asked this question, that how he was able to survive there. "Because I go well equipped in a special suit with a reservoir of oxygen." His father said that he was going there in his special suit, which was helping him, and there was oxygen. There used to be oxygen also in his suit, and I can keep warm, and my boots are specially designed to make it easy for me to walk on the surface. What's more, I have been trained to survive that work on the surface, he said, and moreover my boots are also special, which are helping me properly to walk on the surface, and moreover, I am trained to work there. This was the biggest thing. There was a time when our forefathers lived on the surface quite naturally. Indeed, they did so for millions of years. He said it was not the condition every time as it is. There was a time when our forefathers were working there, were living there properly, and there were no problem. But times changed. The very sun which had provided us with sustenance turned hostile. It changed only slightly, but the change was sufficient to upset the balance of nature on the planet. He said that this condition continued for many years, but sun changed a little. It became a little hotter, but that little was enough to disturb the entire change, the entire life setup. It changed only slightly, but the change was sufficient to upset. This absolutely disturbed the balance of the planet. First, the birds became extinct, the animal followed, the fish couldn't bear it anymore early either. First, the birds started disappearing, then the animals extincted, and then fish also found it was very dangerous to survive in that environment. Thank you, dear.